Hi, I'm Lee and welcome to 2 Minute Tuesday, where we give you tips and tricks regarding the software that helps you get to where you need to be. Today we're going to jump into Avontus Quantify and I'm going to show you the process of updating a rate profile and what to consider afterwards. Let's get started. When it comes to working with rate profiles, things you need to consider regarding job sites. If I go into rate profile, I can see a standard one here, which is for the Mosborough Hall one that I've set up. Obviously, I've already got some deliveries sent to site to my Mosborough Hall, and all I'm going to do is go into this standard and I'm going to alter some prices. I'm going to mess with my boards into the price itself. I'm going to go 25p, 40 pence, 50 pence, 70 pence. So they're the only prices I'm going to change for this demonstration. So once you've done whatever you need to do, just click OK. So all I've done is updated the original rate profile that's already been set up. Click close. Now, as you can see, I've got a boards ticket that's already been delivered to site. Okay, it's not been invoiced, but it's already been sent to site. Okay, so if I click refresh now, after the fact I've updated that rate profile, as you can see, the pricing has now gone blue. So this indicates to me that there's been a rate profile change for this job site. As you can see, they've gone blue. If I hover over them, I can see the old price was 55 and the new price is 50 pence. That'll indicate on each one as you hover over it. So what you need to consider now is if you're going to invoice someone, invoice now will show up as these prices. So if I want to invoice at the new rate profile, what I need to do is go into the delivery ticket, into products, and change the prices to the new rate profile. Because if I don't, when it comes to invoicing, it'll be at the old price, not the new price. After the fact of updating your rate profile, when I come to do a direct shipment, so I'm going to go from my Sheffield branch, that's where the job site's set up. I'm going to go to job site, which is going to be the Mosborough Hall, which will pick up automatically the standard rate profile. I'm going to bill at the end of the month into my products, and then I'm going to go into the boards. I'm going to say I want 5 of these, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Complete shipment, so that's gone directly to site. And now, as you can see, I've got the new rate profile prices. Okay, so me doesn't change anything on my old ones. It's only on my new one, which is that one. My new one will show the new prices. My old ones will stay the same. So if you're wanting to invoice now, because I've not invoiced any of these, but I want it all the same price, I'd have to go into each delivery ticket, update to the new rate profile. If I don't, when I come to invoice, do a new invoice, and I say, just for Mosborough Hall, create an invoice, preview invoice, scroll down to my boards. As you can see, for that part, for the 2-foot timber board, I've got a price of 30 pence and a price of 25 pence. So it'll show the old rate as well as the new rate. Okay, so if you don't want that, and you want to invoice at the new rate, then simply go into your shipping tab and update these prices. So I hope that helps. If you do like this video, please like and subscribe for more to come.